Okay, alright guys, welcome to my channel. The channel where I'm going to be teaching you how to make money online just by watching video ads. So the name of the website I'm going to be talking about is called WinTop. So what the website does is that it pays you for watching video on it. As you can see, it pays you for watching video ads on it. Yes, sir. So it pays you for watching videos as on it. As you can see, watch videos such as movies, commercial videos, TV shows and all that. So just watch videos on it and you get paid. Likewise, those Facebook, all those TikTok, Instagram that you watch that you don't get paid, but once you watch video on this site, you get paid in dollars and you can exchange your money, you can withdraw it through bank and all those. So let's get to how to sign up so that we don't waste our time. So how to sign up? Just click on the three left button here and click sign up, and then you'll be redirected to your sign up page. Let's wait for the okay. Now we are going to sign up page now. So okay, now this is our sign up page. What you need to do to join now is your first name, you fill it, then the last name, then your birthday, your gender, maybe male or female, your email address, and then password. Then you click on create account. But I already have an account, so let me just log into my account to show you. Okay, lest I forget, then you click on this captcha. I'm not a robot, so let's go to my